Bye.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Shiana. I do all different types of hair, makeup, fashion videos, so if that interests you, then make sure to go ahead and subscribe. This is a wig that Ilikehair.com sent me and wanted me to do a review on, so I'm going to be showing you guys that today. So if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching.
So this is the package that the hair comes in. It's this really pretty orange bright box, and this is just the stock card with information. Here I am pulling out the wig they have sent me, and then these are the goodies. I have a rat tail comb, and then there's this bag of clips, an elastic band, which I think I just sew or attach to the wig. I'm not 100% sure yet. Then you get a satin shower cap, and a headband, and also some tweezers. This is a really good goodie bag, like, y'all, you can't go wrong with this. Alright, moving on to the wig. This is their 180 density 13x6 lace frontal wig in the color P427, and I have it in the length 20 inches. Here I'm just showing you the lace and how transparent it is, and as you know, you get your comb and adjustable straps in the back. Now here I'm just going over the parting space and the lace frontal area. Like, y'all, she's thick, she's full. I will have to go in and customize the front due to me having a lower forehead, but there is lace all the way from ear to ear, just showing y'all the back of the hair and the highlights and the color, and the fact that I was like obsessing that she was so full. I really love that. Now I did go ahead and bleach the knots. Here I'm just showing y'all the ending process. I didn't let it sit long enough. I wish I would have let it sit for 40 minutes, but I let it sit for 25. The color came out really nice, but it could have been a little lighter. Some spots were still patchy. So here you guys just see me customizing and preparing for my installation. I did go ahead and cut the lace in the front and the middle part, but here I am just laying my wig with Got To Be freeze spray, and like I said, I pulled the hairs that I don't need, that I'm going to cut out of the way so I can lay my lace properly. With me having a lower hairline, I always do the middle part of my head first because it's the furthest back, so I can make sure on the sides of my head it's really secure and it's covered all in the areas that I need it to cover, so that way none of my hair is poking through. And once my lace is good and secure, I go in with my razor and I just try to remove all that excess lace without cutting my hair or cutting the hair. Now that my lace is now secured and intact, I'm going in with my rat tail comb and my straight razor again, and I'm creating my baby hairs. To form and shape my baby hair, I just use a little bit of mousse from TGIN. It's their Rosewater Curl Defining Mousse, and it really helps to give a good hold, also leaving the hair really soft. Now I'm just repeating the same process all over again to the opposite side.
You win.
Now that my wig is secured and applied, I am just showing y'all the 360 view of this hair freshly washed and blow dried out.
This is an extreme jump from the wig I had before.
So now I am just taking my hot comb and I'm just trying to push back the hair as much as I can away from the front of the lace so that it looks nice and flat and super natural. I'm just taking a little bit of alcohol on a cotton swab and just removing the excess hairspray off my hairline just because I don't want my face to be sticky and tacky.
Honey, you can come sheet. I do love the wig. I kind of wish it had a little bit more highlighted pieces because I feel like most of them are in the back area, which is cool too because it's kind of cute. I had more highlighted pieces in the front here, but due to me having to customize the lace because I have a small forehead, those pieces are now gone, so I could later on add more highlighted pieces in the front. But the color is really pretty. It's like a nice gingery red tone brown, like a coppery auburn color with like nice white light blonde pieces. I didn't get to show y'all the natural pattern because I was trying to hurry up and rinse the bleach out and finish customizing so I could put the wig on. But I'm gonna come back and style her later. I just wanted to show me kind of slightly installing.
Can we just take a quick second to appreciate this makeup look? All right, okay, moving on to the styling portion. I just decided to opt for straightening. I was going to crimp at first, but this hair was so full and luscious, I was like, she just deserves to be straight for right now. I might crimp her later in another video. I'm just using my Baaadddd flat iron, and it automatically has my heat setting of 410 degrees already saved. I just wanted to do a stand up side by side of the hair blown out and flat iron so you can see the difference, and then I just went ahead and finished the other side off camera. Here is the final look of the hair up close and personal, finish and style. I really love this hair and the way that it turned out. Lace was super easy to customize and the hair felt extremely soft. And if you can't tell, I was definitely feeling myself by the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this little show and tell. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.